There's a shadow on the wall of an angel come to call and remind me of what I've always known. She whispers in my ear the words I can barely hear, but the meaning I can feel in my bones. There's a peace just outside my window. There's a war raging at my door. And there's a light. There's a light. And if I close my eyes and go deep inside, I can see there's a light. There's a light. There's a light. And there's a light. There's a light. And if I close my eyes and go deep inside, I can see there's a light. There's a light. There's a light.
The smoothest stones, sitting with the river's bones, glimmer with the white of passing light in this unknown. And sprouting seeds, pushing through the forest green, making up their way, and day by day they'll turn to trees. Winter falls just as spring to summer's call. And we do that, we're just human after all. Sun or snow, all the life it seems to know. And all we have is just part of how it goes, how it goes. This I know. Little birds jumping out the nest to learn you're never gonna fly but staying high, and this I know. And timid stars waiting for the after hours, painting with the light showing every night, this I know. Winter falls just as spring to summer's call. And we do that, we're just human after all. Sun or snow, all the life it seems to know. And all we have is just part of how it goes, how it goes. This I know.